go home, you have a perpetual motion machine in your vehicle. The problem is that it's performing negative work. It's robbing you of energy. Now, take that and flip it around, and it's still, I mean, this has two perpetual motion machines in it. One that performs positive work, which we saw, and then the same one that also performs negative work. It's virtually the same energy and virtually the same power going to the battery, right? So what we're doing is we're rewriting the laws of physics, okay? But we're rewriting and introducing the new laws of physics first. And once the physicists get their heads around this, like the Ukrainian Institute for Thermophysics, once they publish the results, their results of what they saw and the data, it doesn't matter what the globalists say. And by the way, there are 5 different technologies here, and each one has a minimum value of $1 trillion.
Yeah, patents on this?
Yeah. So, what does a globalist want more than anything? Money. So there's more money to be made on this than there is on selling batteries. I mean, if you just take the US patented the Regenerative generator, that's a direct replacement generator for every single generator on the planet.
I would argue it's control that they want, but that's another conversation.
Yeah, but control, but if, you know what? They would give up a little bit of control for a lot more money.
I think it's more money involved.
Yeah, yeah. Well, they already have all the money. They print the money, they already have all the money, but it's the, yes, they want control.
The money in these vehicles and these generators is not so much in the product itself, but rather the fact that you have to repurchase something to keep it going, right?
Yeah,
so you have to purchase gas, electricity. So
that model goes away.
Yeah.
Elon Musk's business model has nothing to do with selling vehicles. It has to do with selling energy. So
That's why he loses on the car.
that's why he doesn't. That's why he said he'd give the cars away for free, because he just wants to get people hooked on the energy. So what we're going to do, hopefully, is we're going to introduce the technology to General Motors, Chrysler, Ford, and if one of those, and most of those companies are in trouble, especially Ford, if they bite, that's it. If Ford comes on board, yeah, we only need one. If Ford comes on board as the sub-licensee for all automakers and all EVs, Tesla and everybody else, it's game over. It doesn't matter what the globalists say. It doesn't matter. And again, the Ukrainians don't care what the globalists say. I mean, the globalists BlackRock want to go in and rebuild the Ukraine and put them in perpetual debt, but you know, they're looking for other options.
How long have you been at this?
I started shortly after 9/11, and so 22 years. 22 years, and we have still going.